Okay, so what we have here now is the RME 69 ham radio from 1935. And what I've done, I've went ahead and removed the front panel. I primered it, removed the dents, and painted it to the original wrinkle, that black wrinkle finish. So this is what it looks like, all cleaned up. I cleaned the knobs and completely rebuilt. I haven't retuned it yet, or I haven't aligned it yet. Just want to show you where I'm at. These are all the capacitors that I've removed. They're all leaky. Every one of these capacitors, resistors, shorted or leaky. So yeah, this is where I'm at. I took everything apart. The transformers, took them off, cleaned them up, primered, and painted. This is also primered and painted. I managed to take off the original RME little decal there. I gingerly pried it off with the razor blade, cleaned it up, and glued it back to the top. So this is what it looks like now. Let me show you the back. I'm not sure why these RME 69 receivers did not come, or don't come with a fuse holder or a fuse. So I added a fuse. I added this grommet. I added this cable, power cable with the grounding 3-prong. So this is where I'm at. Try to remove all the rust. Polished as much as I could. So this is the result. So let me flip it over so you can see the work I've done underneath. So, okay, so this is what I've done. New power cord, fuse. These RMEs never came with the fuse holder, so I added a fuse. Checked all the resistors. They're all within tolerance. I think I had to remove 1 or 2 resistors, but other than that, they're still within tolerance. New capacitors. Replaced the filter capacitor as well. As you can see, this is the original signature of the person who put this together. Just one signature here. So I guess he did this part. He or she did this part. And there's another signature down here. And this person, LR, I'm assuming he did the rest, or down there somewhere. So yeah, this is where I'm at now. New capacitors. Check the resistors. Everything's within specs and tolerance. Cleaned it up. Removed a lot of rust. Polished it. Lubed all the contacts. Now these contacts right here, let me zoom in. They were very corroded and very oxidized. I'll show you what I've used to get them nice and white and shiny. See how clean those look? At one point they were black. They were nasty black with a lot of carbon buildup. But now they're very clean, bright and shiny. I'll show you what I've used to get those cleaned up. Hold on one second, okay? Okay, so this is what I've used to clean the contacts. Stainless steel cleaner. It's in powder form. Just add water, just a drop or two of water, and it gets those contacts super clean. So I've used this. After you get it super clean, I use WD-40 and just removed all the dust and dirt off of that. And the contacts are super clean. I recommend you use this for contact cleaner. I've been using this type of stuff for 15 years now, and it's still full. I think I paid like $12 for this. So get this for your contact cleaner. I recommend this. It gets all the carbon off of those contacts super fast and super easy. $12. This will last you another 15 years. It's still, like I said, it's still full. Put a couple of drops in a little cup, and then use a little brush and just brush them off. Get them really clean. So yeah, this is where I'm at. I took a video of the chassis of the enclosure and how I painted it. I want to show you that in a minute. I used the black wrinkle type paint, and it came out really nice and really clean. So let me show you the outside. Let me go outside for a moment and show you what I've done. So I just finished painting. This is the cabinet for the RME 69 ham radio receiver, and it has the black wrinkle finish. What I've done is I painted, well, first I sanded, cleaned, and then primered, and then painted the entire cabinet with a part in the shade. So it came out really clean and really nice, and it looks super clean and super nice. So this is what I've used. I want to show you real quick. I don't want to make you dizzy. High temperature wrinkle plus. This is great for painting those old cabinets or old enclosures with the wrinkle finish. So get this. This is from the auto parts store. I think I paid $12 for this, 11 something with tax. Easy to use. Works great. So I recommend using Wrinkle Plus for your enclosures that have the old vintage wrinkle finish. Here it is. Beautiful. Looks original. Try to zoom in on here. Look at that. This is the old RME 69 cabinet. I sanded, primered, removed the dents, and then painted. I recommend you do the same thing. I'm letting it bake in the sun for a little bit before I put it inside in the shade. So here's the results. Beautiful cabinet, brand new.